Welcome to all the aspirants. Today we are going to discuss about 21st September current affairs. First of all, let me start with the last year GK question. The states dances Gobi and Vilasini Natyam, Andhra Pradesh. The states dances Kamti and Idumishmi, Arunachal Pradesh. The states dances Diodani and Bagurumpa, Assam. The states dances Baidesia and Paika, Bihar. The tribes in Tripura are Bil, Buchia, Chaimal, Chakma, Halam, Kasia, Lushai, Mizal, Namte, Mag, Munta and Riyang. B.C. Rai and Purushottam Das Tanton received Bharat Ratna in 1961. Nimbaraka introduced the philosophy titled Dvaita Advaita, and he wrote the book titled Dasaslogi and Vedanta. The method of ideals of justice in the preamble were taken from Russia. The sixth five-year plan was launched between 1980 to 85. The main plan of the sixth five-year plan is economic liberalization by eradicating poverty. The sixth five-year plan was very successful and we achieved the target. Appointment of the Prime Minister and other ministers is explained in Article 75. The first women ambassador from India, C.B. Muttamma. Chana Bhagat revolt held between 1914 to 1920. And this revolt is held in Chota Nagpur Plateau and the area of Jharkhand under the leadership of Jatra Bhagat. The famous festival in Manipur, Yoshang Porak Chawangkut. Bakim Chandra Chattapodhi wrote Anandmat and Devi Chaudrani. And today's scheme, National Beekeeping and Honey Mission. So this scheme was launched in 2018 under the Ministry of Agriculture. Which country won fifth title of Asian Championship Trophy 2024? India by defeating China. Which facility was commissioned at Indian Navy ship Satavahana, Vinitra? Which country to host 2026 Commonwealth Games? Scotland. Which day is observed as World Patient Safety Day? September 17. Which department received Rajabhaksha Kirti Award? The department is DARPG. GSITA has been awarded accreditation as Adi Uttam by NABARD. Geeta Press received Gandhi Peace Prize 2023. RITES received Safety Innovation Award. MRPL honored with Best Innovation in Refinery Award. 60 Parachute Fields Hospital won Subhash Chandra Bose Apta Prabandhan Puraskar. Chandrayaan 3 mission team won John L. Jack Swigert JR Award, which became the world's first country to allow voters to elect judges at all levels. The country is Mexico. So it was the first country that made a decision by electing judges by the people. Japan became the first country to launch an electromagnetic railgun. The first South Asian nation to register same-sex marriage is Nepal. World's first portable hospital RRB 3. World's first black tiger safari set up in Odisha. The first country to join India's Jan Aushadh initiative Mauritius. World's first Om-shaped temple set up in Rajasthan. India became the first country to prepare a full list of fauna. World's first carbon fiber high-speed train Sutrovo 1.0 introduced by China. India introduced world's first mobile hybrid rocket Rumi 1. Which week is observed as 8th India Water Week and the day is September 17 to 21. The theme of this year was Partnership, Cooperation for Inclusive Water, Development and Management. April 1 to 7, Prevention of Blindness Week. September 1 to 7, National Nutrition Week. October 4 to 10, World Space Week. October 30 to November 5, Vigilance Awareness Week. November 18 to 24, World Antimicrobial Week. January 11 to 17, National Road Safety Week. March 29 to April 5, National Maritime Week. April 24 to 30, World Immunization Week. Siddheshwari Temple, recently seen in news, is situated in which state? And the state is Tripura. So recently this temple was inaugurated by Manik Saga, the Chief Minister of Tripura. PM Mudra Yojana was launched in 2015. Indian Institute of Science Bangalore researchers discovered gravity hole in Indian Ocean. Jamrani Project Dam project is situated in Uttarakhand. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana was launched in 2020. Project Lion at 2047 was launched in 2021. Bharda Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in Gujarat. Zoological Survey of India, established in 1916, found a species named head-shield sea slug is named after Melanoclamis draupadi. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana was launched in 2016. The scientific name of Neelakurinji flower, Stone Bilanthus kuntiana. Chandipura acute viral encephalitis is primarily transmitted by sandflies. In which year Atal Pensiona Yojana was launched? So this scheme was launched in 2015. So why it was used? Because this scheme covered 69 million people, nearly 7 crore people. World Health Organization released Global Status Report on Road Safety. Operation Meghdoot was launched by Indian Army and the Indian Air Force to secure the heights of Siachen Glacier in 1984. Project Dolphin was launched in 2019. Wildlife Institute of India established in 1982. Mungla Port situated in Bangladesh. National Company Law Tribunal was established in 2016 under RRD Committee. CBIC released National Time Release Study. FAO released the State of the World's Forest Report. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Mandan Yojana was launched in 2019. Who wrote the book The Aryan? The Aryan book was wrote by Bala Gangadhar Tilak.